Hello everybody. Yesterday I finally found one of these Mini Barbie Land at my toy store, local toy store. So I got one, and I will see if I like them, if we like them, and if it's any fun. Okay, so let's see what this is all about then. It's Mini Barbie Land, and it's like one miniature Barbie doll in a lipstick. I don't think you can use lipstick for anything, but it's like a mini Barbie doll, maybe for your Barbie dolls. Okay, so there are different kinds I can get, so let's see. That's replacing apart. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh, let's see. That's cute. Oh, you can have them on display like this also. That's fun. Okay. Is it what circle? Is it Nikki? Circle. Okay. They have these really nice houses and planes and everything, but I think it's Nikki. It's her name. Okay, so well, these lipsticks, they're actually kind of cool to have, like, for display, as a display item like this. Okay. So, okay. That's kind of cute. So, but I don't have like the house or anything, but this was it's a cute collector's object for like I suppose some kids think it's really fun. I think they're cute. I really want the house and like it's a boat and a plane and a van and such. But so okay, well, it was fun to finally check this out. But okay, I think I recommend it if you like to collect these small items. Like it's a lot like Polly Pocket we had when I was a kid. It's like a Barbie doll for the Barbie dolls. So that's the size of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe if you are like toys and animals and dogs and fun stuff. Okay, bye bye.